Go on then. Make yourself comfortable. I know you want to relax a little bit. It's just us here now. You look nice. Look at you in your silk nightgown. I found it odd, you walking around in it. I mean, it must be pretty slutty just to put it on for me and walk around my home. Just because I asked you to. No matter. Like I said, we're alone now. Unless Mother's ghost decides to show up again. But that won't happen. Not while I have you here. Go on then. Make yourself comfortable. I know my bed might not be the most appealing thing, but I think you'll find it quite nice. I'll just get next to you here. Lay myself down a bit. You smell nice too. By the way, I couldn't help but notice when I went to the restroom earlier, I seen you snooping my house. That sort of thing is definitely gonna get you into trouble. I hope you know that, right? Might end up like my friend Bum. And I say friend loosely, since, he was my stalker and everything. Are you stalking me? That's what I thought. The way you looked at me. I found all your love letters, too. How pathetic can a human heart be? You see, the me you fell in love with was a mask. It wasn't real. None of it was. How I act in public, how I smile. Nothing about it, nothing was real. Even the part when I, complimented you the other day, that was just to get you here now. So, now that you are here, we can talk about what'll happen next. I'm wondering, should I take you to my basement? I've got fun things in the basement. You would like that, wouldn't you? See what kind of fun things I keep in my basement. You little stalker. I'm starting to wonder how many people are really stalking me out there. If only I had my knife. That'd be nice. Could sharpen it real nice and slow for you. Just so slowly. Make you wonder about things. Many things. Oh, these? Don't worry about them. They're always at my bedside. I use them for my own personal entertainment. Aren't you dying to know? Just all the uses I have for them. Don't you want to know what I do with these when no one's watching? If you hold really still, I'll make things quick. Painless. Oh, oops. Did I just break your leg? My bad. At least you can't run now. Your other one's still intact. That won't hold up for long. Don't worry. I'll fix it. Just like I've got a pretty strong grip, don't you think? Oh, that was an unexpected pop. That should work on the smell of the body. Now not even Bum will know I had a girl here. I just Febrezed you. Aw, you stopped moving. How unentertaining. Oh well, you'll fit nicely in the hole I've dug in the backyard for you. Just rest, sleep, it'll all be over soon.